Mga kapatid, kumusta? As we enter into 2025, guguhit tayo ng bagong tadhana o di kaya'y lilikha ng bagong landas para sa kapwa manggagawa. We are not just welcoming the new year, we are going to celebrate 75 years of existence of the Federation of Free Workers, or FFW. For 7.5 decades, FFW has stood at the forefront of the labor movement, organizing workers, negotiating for better wages and benefits to uplift the dignity of every Filipino worker. FFW was founded on June 19, 1950. This year, we take our fight to new heights. My senatorial campaign for the May 2025 election is not just about winning a seat in the Senate. It's about using every platform, every rally, and every event as an opportunity to organize more workers into unions. We are turning this political campaign into a union organizing campaign because we believe every worker deserves to be heard, protected and empowered by a union of his choice. To fuel this mission, Attorney Alan Montaño and I have each donated 75,000 pesos to kickstart our Diamond fundraising campaign. 150,000 pesos now entrusted to our hard-working National Treasurer, Alfredo Maranan, the former President of the Interfield Laboratories Employees Union, FFW. But this campaign isn't just about us, it's about all of us. I call on every FFW member and ally to contribute what you can, and most importantly, to organize more workers into unions. This year, our goal is bold but meaningful. 75 new unions in our 75th year anniversary. If we achieve this, will not only honor the legacy of the founding fathers, Johnny Tan and Father Walter Hogan of the Society of Jesus, and countless brave workers, but also secure the future of our labor movement. As Samuel Gompers, the great American Federation of Labor president, once said, our mission is to, and I quote, secure better and better and better and constantly better conditions for the workers of our country, unquote. These words remind us that our fight doesn't end. It evolves, grows, and strengthens with every passing year. Let's make 2025 the year we not only commemorate our history, but create a future worthy of our dreams. Together, let's organize, fight, and shine brighter than ever. Mabuhay ang manggagawang Pilipino, mabuhay ang Federation of Free Workers. Ito po ang inyong kasama, si Attorney Sani Matula, ang Pangulo ng FFW. Maraming salamat po.